Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can sell on eBay. Now to sell on eBay, you need to list the item which you want to sell. So first you need to go to ebay.com, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you need to click on this arrow right beside my eBay and click on selling. Once you click on selling, it'll take you to this page. Over here, I haven't listed anything, so I have not yet, sold anything. If I want to sell anything, I need to click on list an item. So let's say I want to sell a shoe. What I'm going to write is shoes over here at the top. Over here, I need to be specific what kind of shoe. So I'm selling a men's shoe and the shoe is basically a Nike shoe. Then it is basically Air Jordan. Now, just like this, you need to be more specific. So it is basically for over here. Once you're like this, you can click on search and it's going to search for the item. Now, if you find the photo of the item you're selling over here, you can click on it. If you don't, you can click and continue without match. But for this video's example, I will go with this. I will click and continue. Now over here, I need to choose what condition. So it is brand new. So I will click on new with box. Continue. Now in this page, you need to add like detailed description of the stuff which you're trying to sell. So over here, I'm trying to sell the shoe. So what I need to do is upload extra picture if I have. If I don't, I need to enter like the name over here, its brand, size, all this thing over here. You need to fill this page up correctly, okay? Every information it's asking over here, make sure to enter it. The more better detailed information you add, the more chances of the person buying it. Because if you don't add anything, people are going to think it's a scam. You can enter the description of the object you're selling over here. You can choose the pricing if you want to auction it, for how long you want like to it to be listed, what's the price you want to sell it for, what's the bidding price, the buying price, at which price you bought. So just like this, you can fill this entire thing up and keep scrolling down and you can choose the shipping method over here. After you do that, you can choose the preference, and for payment over here, you can add your payment details as well. After you fill the entire page up, click on list it, and basically the item will be listed on eBay, and if somebody wants to buy it, they will message you or they will basically auction it from you. That is how we guys can sell stuff on eBay. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.